Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ryan. Today's look was on this beautiful colorful look that you see here. Definitely some different colors that we've got going on here, but I'm absolutely loving this look. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you are a follower, thank you so much for coming back this week and watching this video. So yeah, I'll keep it short, simple, and to the point. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this easy, colorful look, then please just keep watching and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be yet another colorful look brought to you by my beautiful BH Cosmetics palette. So I'm thinking of going in, I honestly don't know what colors I'm going to do. I have another creative kind of look I want to do, but you know how when something is like amazing, looks amazing in your mind, but then when you do it, it looks like complete caca? That's what I'm a little nervous about, but we're just going to try it. We are going to go big or go home like we always do on this channel. So I'm going to use, you're going to see my little Sunlit Dream mirror come in here because once again, I'm going to be filming this with, you know, straight on, so I don't have anything to really work with over here, so pray for me again. So once again, we're going to go in, it would help if I had my mirror ready. We're going to go in with our little NYX eye pencil in white, since we're going to be doing a lot of color. I've already went through and done my full face of makeup, so that kind of helps slow the process down. A lot of people really like the colors I did last week, so I thought I would try to do something kind of fun again this week, so we will see how this goes. So I know it looks sunny, I kind of look like a clown, but it's okay, I look like a good looking clown. So all I'm going to do is just tap this out, really blend it. I'm just using my fingertip because it's light, and it's better to dab it than swipe it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick, and then we will move on to some eye color. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and just dabbed this through. I just use my finger. I'm like looking in my little light mirror, sorry. So I just use my finger because, like I said, it's one of the softest tools I have are your hands. So that's what I went ahead and did. So let's just dip into our BH Cosmetics palette. I'm a little nervous. My daughter got into this palette, so who knows what's going to be where. I do have to run some errands today, so it's like, what do I want to be seen out in public wearing on my lid? Huh, guys? So I think, let me swatch these yellows. Ooh, I think I like this yellow, this darker mustardy yellow, a little bit better than I like the other one. So let's just go in and do this. So I'm going to dip into this yellow mustard here. I'm going to use this Profusion eye brush that I got out of my Profusion palette that I bought from Targetto. You know, I love that place. Okay, so I'm going to start this with the inner corner. I really don't have a plan for it, so I am just going to wing this as I go. But just packing it into my inner corners there. So I went and saw that Pop 2000s tour. And it was O-Town, Ryan Cabrera, and Aaron Carter. Let me tell you, I didn't know how Aaron Carter was gonna come out, like, because I haven't heard a lot of his music in a long time, but I was honestly super impressed. He was one of my favorite acts. So it was him, Ryan Cabrera, and I hate to say this, Ryan Cabrera was doing his thing and I loved it. Like, I've always been a fan of his, so I was really excited to get to see him in Omaha. I'm supporting one of his shirts that I bought from the merchandise stand, which is really just cool, comfortable tee. So I'll have to show you guys that when I'm done here. But anyway, it was a really great concert. It was surprising. Ryan Cabrera was super nice, super into the crowd, and I have to say, so was Aaron Carter. His moves were not what I was expecting. So way to come out of the gate like he did a bomb job, you guys. I thought he was great. So I'm just using this yellow to kind of do a transition color as well. So I'm just slowly bringing it up on my eyes just to give it some. I don't ever think in my 28 years of life that I've ever worn yellow on my eyes, so this will be interesting. what you do. Listening to Dream Pop or Dream on Pandora, the station. And I'm telling you, like, they just need to come back with amazing girl group bands. Like, where are the Destiny's Child, Dream, 3LW? Where are all those girl bands at anymore? Like, we've got Nicki Minaj. You know how awesome, like, it'd be? I know Nicki Minaj and Cardi B did a song together, but how awesome would it be for, like, all those, like, rap girls to be in a song together with all their talents? It'd be pretty banging. Alright. So, next, I really don't know what color this is. Blue here. I feel like I didn't really go into it. I don't think I went into it at all last time, but I could be lying. It's been used. I can't tell if that was me or Ava when Ava got my makeup. So we're just going to put the blue on the lid. And see what vibes. This brush is honestly awesome for packing in that color. This is a super really pretty color blue. It looks a little funny now, but it's fine. If I really wanted this color to be even more intense, I would add some eye drops to it. Maybe we'll go with like an island theme. Yellow for the sun, blue for the water. Maybe I'll do some green. Maybe I'll just see where this color takes me. Gonna kind of buff it out just a little bit with the other side of the brush. Like I said, this would be a pretty good Pride color palette, I feel like. So we are just going to buff this out. Make sure they're even. Nothing like having an uneven color palette on the eyes. Let's pat this color so that's a little more dominant. Not bad. Anyway, so about that concert. So Lance Bass was hosting it. And how do you not love Lance Bass? Like, I just adore him. And he was, you know, making some NSYNC cracks. It was really great, though. I know this is bad to say. I didn't stay for the full thing because I watched O-Town get on and it wasn't what I remembered them to be. So I was like, I don't remember how much, like, I don't know. Aaron Carter and Ryan Cabrera definitely were the best that I saw there that night. People can say other things. I'm sure there's a lot of O-Town fans out there that were like, O-Town did really great, you know. Oh, this is a really pretty purple. It's like a periwinkle purple almost. But I'm really loving this blue and yellow together. I kind of want to go, I wish I had a darker green. Which, you know what? Hold that thought. Hold on. Putting it on pause. So I bought another, I have like those NYX crayons, eye pencils in a lot of different colors. So this one is in a Rocky Mountain green. It's just a jumbo eye pencil. Really pretty color. So I'm going to use this as like a base, I think, for green. So let's see how well this goes. So I'm just going to start it in my outer V. And I don't know, I think the pencils might be a little different. I bought this, I feel like, a while ago. So we'll see. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. So let's take, I don't know, I guess let's take this seafoam green that I used in my last video and just try to make that green a little, pop a little bit more. Oh wow. That's actually a really pretty color combination. It almost made it, I don't know. Oh wow. I love that green. I love the mix together. Oh, it is so pretty. Alright, so now we're gonna do some buffing of the eyes. This is why I can't sit in a like chair that not rolls, that like moves around, because that's all I'm gonna do in this video is just twist. Honestly, you guys, I don't hate this. I'm just going to drag the green to the bottom. Take a couple of our little smudge brushes here. Take that green and just buff it out in the bottom. Because the yellow is already in my outer corner. And I'm going to add just a little bit of purple, I think. I'm going to add just a little bit of maybe a dark purple here. Let's see. I kind of want to see what this purple looks like. So I guess there's only one way to test it out. Oh, that's really pretty actually. I love when my mouth is open like that and I'm doing these videos. It just cracks me up. Alright. I'm going to be really honest with you guys. I am digging this purple. Just kind of blending it in with the green. And then we're going to take that yellow. Just make it a little bit more pronounced in our outer corner. Perfect. Alright. I'm going to clean up underneath my eye. There was just a little bit of fallout, but not too much. I don't know. It's definitely different. I'm going to tell you guys that now. Definitely different. Okay. So I've got this highlight on from the Carly Bible palette. Let me grab it. I'm going to go out of frame. This is the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. This is just the one with the 10 eyeshadows and then the 4 highlighting shades in it. So, oh. Okay, sorry, I thought my camera stopped working. So today I kind of went in with this pink frosted color on my highlight. I really don't wear a lot of pink when it comes to, let's use this mirror. When it comes to highlight, I just don't like the way the pink looks on me. I know, I'm weird. But I like my highlight of my eye to match the cheeks. It's just my personal preference. So I am just going to go in there with that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. This is the Little Black Dress felt tip pen. I'm going to just... Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just went ahead and put that telescopic mascara on. I don't have any falsies on just because, like I said, my eyes have kind of just been a little bit more sensitive when it comes to the falsies and the lash glue, so I'm kind of just taking a break from it. No biggie. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was something super simple, super easy, and it all just came out of one palette. And this, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Yeah, and if you guys are interested in some of the videos that I took at the concert, just go to my Instagram page at RyanSoto13, RyanSoto 13. And yeah, and you guys can see some fun photos from that night, and some great videos. So you can also follow me on Snapchat. I'm pretty sure it's like Sparrow1321. I made it forever ago and it just kind of stuck. And you know, I have that sparrow tattoo, so kind of represents that. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys next week. I hope you have a great why do I always butch that line? I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.